In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify Collaborator Code. This is a simple process, but it's incredibly important if you're working with developers or partners who need access to your Shopify store. Let's dive into the steps. First, navigate to the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin page. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Once you click on Settings, you'll be directed to a new page showcasing a variety of options to manage different aspects of your store. The next step is to select Users from this menu. By clicking on Users, you're accessing the area where you can manage everyone who has any level of access to your store. This section is particularly useful for adding new staff, adjusting permissions for existing team members, or, as we are doing today, fetching your collaborator code. Now, look for the Security option once you're in the Users section. By clicking on Security, you'll be taken to a page where you can see various security settings relating to user access. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area, as safeguarding your store's information is critical. On this security page, you'll find your collaborator code. This code is what allows collaborators to access your store without you having to compromise on security by sharing passwords or confidential information. This is especially useful when you're working with developers or agencies who need temporary access to your store to make adjustments or provide support. Once you've located the collaborator code, you have a few different options. You can simply copy the code and share it with the person who needs access. This is often the quickest way to give partners or collaborators what they need to get started. If the code is expired, or if you've shared it before and want to refresh it for any reason, you also have the option to click on Generate New Code. By generating a new code, you can immediately enhance security by providing a fresh code that is not previously shared. Alternatively, if you no longer require any collaborators, or if you wish to revoke access, you can delete the code altogether. Doing this will ensure that no one can accidentally gain access to your shop using the old code. Deleting a code is a good security practice, especially if a project has been completed or if you suspect that the code may have fallen into the wrong hands. And there you have it. Finding and managing your Shopify Collaborator Code is a simple yet effective way to control who has access to your online store, keeping your business safe and running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy selling!